Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking Olaplex. I've been trying to get this video up for days, seriously, days. So guys, Olaplex number 0. It comes with a number 3, a small number 3. I made a mistake and chucked it after I used it because I forgot that I'm showing you guys, which is funny. It has to be it's not pregnancy brain because I'm not pregnant. So it's after birth brain, I guess. Okay, so this retails for $28 and it is a professional inspired intensive treatment that primes hair for deeper repair, strengthens and protects hair integrity, leveraging the Olaplex patented bond building technology. It's for straight, wavy, curly, and coily hair, fine, medium, and thick. Hair concerns, damage, split ends, breakage, shine, color safe. The key benefits, it primes hair to intensify benefits of the number 3 hair perfector. It strengthens weakened bonds deep within the hair strand and repairs hair from chemical, thermal, mechanical, and environmental damage. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So that is great. So it comes with this 5.2 ounces of number 0 intensive bond building hair treatment. And it also comes with a 1 ounce number 3 hair perfector, which is quite small, by the way. So it's not the big one. Let's talk about it. First, how to use. I'm sorry, I'm super excited. How to use. So you put this on first, apply to dry hair, not wet hair. So you don't want a lot of product in your hair. You want close to none, so that same thing with the number 3, except with the number 3, you put that on damp. You can put that on damp hair or dry hair. Don't put this on damp hair. It says apply to dry hair, fully saturating each section, and let process for 10 minutes. Don't rinse it. So just have this on your hair for at least 10 minutes. And then on top of it, apply the number 3 perfector. Combing through as needed. So comb this through your hair before putting on the number 3. Putting on the number 3, let that process for a minimum of 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition. For best results, use number 4 shampoo and number 5 conditioner. Now, okay, let me tell you my experience. Guys, after I had my wonderful baby girl, maybe a couple of weeks, few weeks, maybe max, globs of hair started coming out of my hair, which I hear is normal. I didn't know that before, and I'm just thinking, oh my gosh, my hair is falling out. I just cut it all off, so I can't, you know, when you have short hair, you're like, I can't afford to lose any hair. Like normal shedding, yeah. Guys, I was losing a lot of hair, and I felt like my edges were starting to like recede because hair was coming out every day. And so I was like, oh my gosh, okay, this is a part of pregnancy shed. So I just have to go through this. And that's what's been happening. Until this. Literally until this. So I thought instead of me having my hair gelled back, which I normally do, because I didn't feel like my hair was long enough yet for me to actually wear down without, you know, the circumference of my head just being the main focus and my hair kind of just looking like a chia pet. So yeah, but I thought talking about this, you would kind of want to see my hair. So that is why my hair is like this. I don't have any product in it or anything of that nature. So putting this on first, this is really watery. So let me just show you. There we go. Like that. It's watery. I didn't open it up, which I kind of wish I did a bit. Not really, I guess, because this gets right in your roots. You can just push this right in your roots. I used a third of the bottle, which I probably used too much, but they say you can get like 4 to 6 or 6 to 8 out of this or something of that nature, depending upon your hair and etc. My little girl, she's awake. Hold on. She'll be coming with me. Okay, so I'm back. Little one right here. I, in all honesty, would say that, you know, this was okay. Just using the number 3 made my hair softer than using these both together. And by the way, no, this does not replace the number 1 and 2 that you get in the salon. Use this once a week to maintain that. So if you get I believe it's the 1 and 2 in the salon, this does not replace it. With the number 3 by itself, my hair is really soft. You guys know I leave it overnight, and it works while your hair is still wet, type of thing, while it's still wet on your hair. And my hair doesn't dry throughout the night necessarily. Especially when I put it back in a bun and it's still wet right in the center. And you guys know what I'm talking about. Yes, sweetie. Anyway, putting this 0 on, including the number 3, did not make my hair softer. It didn't even make it as soft as just with the number 3. So you guys know I tried this for the 10 minutes, that whole thing. I find that I love putting this on and number 3 overnight. That worked best for me. And yeah, when I woke up, my hair still was wet. So it was still actively working. It's taken me forever to get this out. I'm sorry. However, again, to be honest, I would say that, oh, this was okay. I really don't need this. If I wasn't dealing with, if you want to call it hair loss or hair shedding, when I took this out of my hair, when I washed this out of my hair and conditioned it out, OMG, I just had regular hair shed like I had before my hair started shedding, like I was a cat or a dog. Like, guys, this is awesome. This is amazing. And I'm definitely using this once a week. I'm adding this at least until my hair stops, shedding. Like, yeah, I'm losing a lot of hair because of after pregnancy. And so, yeah, this stuff is amazing. And to some extent, you may not know it unless you're dealing with a hair issue. And so I had to be honest and say that I wouldn't say this is okay, unless I was dealing with my hair issue. And it always isn't the way your hair feels. So even though my hair feels softer just using the number 3, it still feels soft after using both of these, but not as soft. This is a game changer, and this is amazing. And I'm so happy that I tried it. I'm so happy that I used it. I'm so happy I used it during a time where I needed something, and not just, not saying that my hair isn't healthy, but I wouldn't know that this was effective without my hair coming out, to be honest. And that's sad for me to say, but it's true. So yeah, I hope that helps you guys figure out something that you were looking at. Yeah, you're doing so good, sweetie. You're doing so good. And I had to get this video up because that stuff is amazing. And don't use too much, guys. I used way too much. And yeah, but make sure you use it when your hair is dry. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. And sorry that I was babbling on. And you guys have an amazing day. Bye. Seriously, everything. This is the box that it comes in too. I'm sorry I didn't show that to you. Yeah, this is amazing. This is amazing. I'm in.